This is a cheeky corner suite. This is 311 square feet with a 304 to 537 square foot terrace. Big, beautiful room here. One of the sliding doors has been left open. You can see the curtains blowing in the wind. Really nice. I would say this is cheeky. This is a cheeky little sitting area. You've got your bar area with the record player. Make sure you borrow some records from the record shop. So you can enjoy that on your cruise. Come out onto the balcony, and this is massive. Yes, you got a table and 2 chairs. It does wrap around a bit as well, where you have wonderful hand-woven hammock. 2 sun loungers and a nice little sitting area. So you can see there are 2 sliding door areas. So there's 2 access points. It's going to close that door behind me. And into the washroom. Nice marbled counter. Toilet area. And nice little shower area. Rainwater shower head. Bench. This is a cheeky corner suite on Resilient Lady.